How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode I'm gonna take care of the interior, so this is gonna be part number 4 on how to detail for beginners. Now, I was gonna jump right into polishing the vehicle, but I decided not to because I think it's too soon for the ones that just started on detailing their vehicle. I have right here my Torque 15DA, but I was gonna jump into that right away. I decided not to. On this episode, I'm gonna take care of the interior. I'm gonna show you how I clean the interior and how I make everything look really good, smell good, and get the shine out of the doors, the dashboard, the center console, everything in the interior. So on this episode, we're gonna take care of that. To do that, I have few products in here. I'm gonna focus on this one. I haven't used this one before. This is the new Total Interior JDM Squash Essence. I'm gonna use this one. I have this one that I used before. I have this one too, and this one. Pretty much everything is the same. If you wanna purchase one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for all of them, but I'm gonna focus on this one. Basically, all these products, they do the same. They're gonna protect the dashboard. You can use it on glass, on your navigation screens, leather, and vinyl. This is to clean, but also it's gonna protect against UV rays. After the cleaning process, I'm gonna use Seal Shine dressing to the interior. I don't recommend to use this one in the exterior of the vehicle. Why? Because this is a water-based protection. Once the rain hits your panels, tires, or everything, all your plastics on the outside, you can start seeing some marks. Because this one is water based, it's not gonna be really strong for the outside. That's why I don't recommend this one for the outside. And this is my go-to when I clean the interior. Always clean it first and then add some shine to it. For this video, I'm gonna use my RAV4. Now, the truck is brand new, so my interior is not dirty, it's clean. That's why I'm only gonna use these products. But if your interior is really dirty, I recommend you to use Nonsense. This one is strong. You can use this on the interior, exterior, tires. You can use it everywhere, on your engine as well. I'm not gonna use it just because the interior is brand new, but if your interior is really dirty, you can use this one with a brush. I don't like to spray this directly into the panels because it's gonna splash everywhere. What I like to do is grab one of my towels and spray some into the towel. It's not dirty. I know this is not gonna do much, but you can see it has a little bit of dust, and all this part is dirty. So that's why we're doing this process. This is gonna be an easy process for this truck, but we gotta protect it. Same thing for the dash. Spray some into the towel. Now you see the screen. I already put more product into the towel. Let's see if it leaves stray marks on it. This part is piano black. It gets dirty real quick. So I'm gonna flip my microfiber towel just to get it dry a little bit, and let's see the result. It looks good. This is one of the things that I like about these towels from Chemical Guys, because they clean really well. Look at this console. I just cleaned all this. It looks really good. Let me see if I can remove this with this product, because all this is really in there. There you go, good as new. Here on the back of the RAV4, I have this cover. Don't forget to clean that if you have it. Now I have to take care of all these plastics in here. Interior is clean. Now it comes to give it a shine and UV protection. Why I like silk shine dressing is because it's 100% dry to the touch, but the most important thing for me is that it's not super shiny. It's gonna leave a natural color. That's why I use a water base in the interior. What I like to do with this product is just give it some sprays, but 3 is okay. I'm gonna do it just on the door panels, the dash, and I'm not gonna touch the center console. If you notice right here on the bottom, hopefully you can see it on camera, some discoloration. Now when you apply this, if you see, it's not super shine, but everything is even now. That's why I go with this one. Tell me what you think. I haven't applied on this area. You can see discoloration right here, but on this side it looks even. Do you see the difference right there? This is the passenger side. That's no protection. That's protection. You can see the difference right there. And one thing that I always said is prevention is better than replacement. Same thing with your engine. If you don't change the oil, you don't do maintenance, you're gonna have to replace the engine. Same thing with your plastics, your interior rubber. If you don't protect it, it's gonna end up fading with the sun, cracking. It's gonna look really bad. And then if you wanna keep the car, or probably the next owner is gonna have to replace it. Always, always. Prevention is better than replacement. Okay guys, this job is done. The interior looks amazing, really good, shiny. Like I said, I didn't touch the center console because I don't need that product in here, but I did touch all this side, the armrest, and all the doors, everything but that part. Okay my guys, I leave it with that. This episode is something just really simple that I try to do for beginners. Now, if your car is really dirty, then I'm gonna bring another episode where I do the full detail on the interior. I use simple products like Silk Shine and Thorough Interior and couple towels because my interior is brand new. Only one towel for the interior and one applicator. But like I said before, if you're new to this, prevention is better than replacement. I hope you like this little episode, guys. I really enjoy doing this little episode. If you have questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.